lovers! Today's rock song is about our UTV ride to Crystal Springs! Now let's go!
The horizon's bleeding amber, the canyon's calling loud. We're leaving all the city noise beneath a heavy cloud. John is at the wheel now, Alicia's by his side. In the belly of the Speed, we take a phantom ride. No maps to tell us stories, no lines to hold the soul, just the rhythm of the dirt and the loss of all control. The gears are screaming mercy, the tires grip the stone. In the wildness of the wasteland, we have found our only home. JWC Speed, where the adventure meets the dust. In the steel and the rubber, we place our only trust. Ride it, break it, fix it, send it high. We're riding neon signatures across the desert sky. Life's better off-road, it's a wanderlust or bust. Ride it, break it, fix it, send it home. King of the mountain under a starlit dome. Did you see that line? Full send. The axle snapped, but the memory didn't. Just grab the wrench, we go again. Because out here, the dust tells the truth.